So on this design, we utilized a raised heel truss system. We did that for several reasons, but the primary reason was for insulation. We wanted to increase the depth of insulation over the top of the exterior walls. And we wanted to get at least an R80 for the insulation. In this case, we were able to bring it up to about an R100. If you take a look at this raised truss that we have, you can see that there is a pink layer, which is the insulation layer. It's about 30 inches on our house. Now, this green outline on the top, that's our air barrier. And so we used a zip sheathing and we taped it so that no air from the second floor, the first floor, can escape up into the attic. Right here is what we call a conditioned space. You want to put your mechanical systems inside a conditioned space. What that means is that if the temperature of the room that we're in right now, let's just say it's in the summertime, it's 90 degrees outside and we have the air conditioning on at 72 or 74 inside, that means that conditioned space is at 74 degrees. The mechanical system does not have to work that hard. If you notice in the wintertime, sometimes houses, when there's been a lot of snow, the heat will escape via the exterior part of the wall and melt the snow, and then it freezes at nighttime and it creates an ice dam. By having a thick amount of insulation over the exterior walls, you prevent that from happening. One of the nice things about having trusses constructed for you is that they have an engineer and they can certify the strength of the truss system. Code here in Massachusetts is 111 miles per hour. We got it up to 126 mile per hour sustained winds, which is category 3. So from an insurance perspective, we can show this documentation to underwriting because we live in a coastal region to let them know that we get a brand new home and it's built to withstand category 3 wind speeds. We used hurricane clips. These are referred to as Simpson hurricane clips, and at each truss where it mounts to the side walls of the home, they are screwed into the sidewalls as well as to the truss to further enhance the strength of the roof system.